Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
No. No.
Is it on?
Oh, it's
We're ready. All right, out here on the saddle permission this afternoon. It's sunny. It was a little cloudy, but it's sunnier now. But as you can see, or maybe you can see in the background back here, the weeds are just super high, and it's really tough to see squirrels. They got to jump up on stumps or stand up. Even when they stand up in this stuff, you can't even see them, so it's pretty tough. We'll see if we can do something, but not sure. We've had some bad weather the last few days. Squirrels have not been out at all, according to the reports I'm getting. So I don't know. Maybe we'll get something here today. We'll see.
Give it a shot.
Okay, stick with us. 110 yards. Got him.
I'd say so. He was running sideways.
Oh, he's still there though. No, maybe I didn't get him. He's still running pretty good.
That's another one too.
Got him that time. Took three shots, but
keep your eyes open.
with 113 or 14. Oh,
Good hit.
yeah.
That was a click.
Oh, I got him. What is that, 3?
Yep.
He's just on a stick out there. 115 yards. I got him.
Yep.
53. Did I miss him?
No, you knocked the dog shit out of him.
Oh, must have went through because I heard wood.
No, he was running in trips.
92. Got him.
Alright, so you see the other one?
Yep.
Right?
I missed him. I rushed that one. 91.
See him?
I see his tail. Yep. Right there.
Stood up, and now he's laying down.
Yeah, that was center punched.
That's 2 doing there.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, that was 2. Oh, that was too high. Oh, you got him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I heard him scream.
That's a click. Whew. Thank God he waited.
Probably about 50 yards-ish. Safety. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, 50. What the fuck? I didn't even see that one.
He was on the ground, he ran up the tree. 98 yards. I got him. 98 yards. Man, I don't know. It sounded like it, but he sure ran. Did a weird flip, but 189. Close.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I rolled him. I skipped it into him.
Yep.
I'll take that.
I got my camera on.
Oh yeah, he's
Trying to swim upside down.
he is. Eurasian dove. It went over here on this tree.
That was a schmacker.
It was a smacker. Might not be any breast left to pull off of him, but might walk out there and grab him. I don't know. The other one I can't see from here.
Oh yeah.
All right, 102.
Fucker.
There's one a lot closer. There's one at 79 again.
See the one in the shade?
Yeah. 79 yards. Got him.
Well, no backing up on that one.
A little starling action. Oh, I'm gonna get that pigeon instead. Oh yeah, he's done. About 50 yards. Got him. Go ahead.
Nope.
Why? All right, so it was a nice day for weather. It was an okay day for squirrels. Total for today, and I think I just pushed this again, so this should say 11.
And 6.
So 17 for the day. So we figured it would be better than that, but since the weather and the long grass, I mean, it's not too bad here because the horses have been out here. But man, back in the back where we were hunting was brutal. You know, it was
1.5 feet, 3 feet.
Yeah, 1.5 feet, and then there was star thistle, bull thistle out there that was 5 foot, every bit of 5 foot tall. So pretty tough to see squirrels. So, but we'll come back. We'll wait till the hot weather will come and it'll knock the grass down, and then there won't be any cows on here because cows go up in the mountains in the wintertime, in the summertime. So now that the weather's getting warm, they take them up above and leave them there till winter hits, and then they bring them back down. So we won't have any more cows out here for the most part, at least on this place. So hopefully it'll just get knocked down by the deer and everything else, and then we'll be able to get some squirrels. But yeah, it's still fun. Still get out of the house and ride around,
pellets.
Ride around in the side by side, and yeah, throw some pellets down range. So yeah, so if you like our videos, give us a like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. If you're one of our regulars, thanks for stopping by again. If you hit that bell button down below, it will let you know when we have new videos out. I've missed the last 2 weeks of videos, just stuff going on, and we haven't been able to get out and shoot any squirrels. So last couple videos I did was review videos, but I've got a couple of squirrel videos coming up, and we'll have those for you. And hopefully the weather stays nice and doesn't get too hot. Squirrels are very finicky. They don't like the wind or the hot, or the cold. Just like, it's got to be perfect for them. So
We'll find them.
yeah, we usually chase a few down. All right, thanks for stopping by, and come and keep an eye on us for new videos.